I'm here to introduce you to our state-of-the-art visa application portal and some of the exciting features that you will find as you navigate your way through the requirements and work towards submitting the perfect application. First of all, you will now find a new section available on your client portal, the Visa Application section. It is important to note that this section has nothing to do with the evaluation section that you have worked on up to here. So don't be alarmed if you see your progress bar starting from 0. To access your dashboard, simply log in with your provided details and find the Visa Application section on the far left. Once you're in the Visa section, you will find a list of requirements that the Canadian government needs for your visa application. We have broken down each requirement into its own subcategory, making it easy and convenient for you to keep track of what is required. Each section includes instructions and directions, so there is never any confusion around what you need to do, fill, or submit. We have even taken out those big, scary government forms and turned them into easy online forms to make your life much easier. Each requirement has a status indicator to inform you and our team of your progress and any changes. We have also built in a query system for you to log tickets directly to our support team when you are unsure about anything or have any questions. Please feel free to use this, and don't worry about sending emails. These are much faster and will go directly to the department who will assist you. The query section is not the only place where we will be talking to you. As our team reviews your submissions, they will give you feedback that will be linked directly to your submission and that specific requirement. So you will always know exactly where to look and always know that your files and feedback are well organized. Please also know that our support agents will be with you here to guide you through the entire process. And it's our mission to make this process feel like a breeze. Good luck, and know that you are in great hands. We look forward to turning your Canadian dream into a reality.